Hello guys, today we are going to work in reading and grammar, okay? So in reading we are going to see the photo story. Do you remember the photo story? So you need to read the photo story, and when you read the photo story you answer this question that you have here. For example, circle the three kinds of art Leon and Theo discuss. What is the three kind of art? Okay, and your circle, okay, the three. And then you have discuss and find an underline expression in the photo story to match each of the phrases. For example, number one, I didn't know. You need to find in the photo story. In this case is I had no idea. Okay, I had no idea. And continue with the other sentence that you have. When you finish this exercise, you have this. This the passive voice. You need to read carefully this chart because it's very important for answers the other exercise that you have. Okay? For example, most sentences are in the active voice. The subject of a sentence performs the action of the verb. In the passive voice, the receiver of the action is the subject of the sentence. And here you have an example. Okay? So, next exercise is read each passive voice sentence and decide if the verb phrase is necessary. If it isn't necessary, cross it out. For example, number one, the glass by parents were added to the Louvre Museum in Paris by workers in 1989. The phrase is by workers. Do you think it's by workers is important? No, because it's not a specific information for you. So, cross out by workers. Why? Because it's not important, okay? It's not necessary in the sentence. And you answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? For example, in number 2, the sculpture The Thinker was created by French artist Auguste Rodin. By French artist Auguste Rodin is important, so you not cross out, okay? Because it's a specific information for you, okay? Because was created by French artist Auguste Rodin. So this is exercise, and if you have any doubt about this on the chat, you put and I answer your doubts. Okay, so this is the last exercise that we'll do today. Change each sentence from the active to the passive voice. Use a vague phrase. For example, number 1. Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa in the 16th century. Okay, so the sentence would be the Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci in the 16th century. You need was aware, okay? Because the sentence is in past, you have painted. So you put was painted in number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Carefully because maybe was, but would be maybe were. Depend on singular or plural, okay? And the verb always goes in past participle. For example, in number 2, that photograph was taken, okay? Taken by Brazilian photographer Sebastião Salgado in 2007. Okay? So, but what happened in number 6? In number 6 is not in past, it's not simple past, it's present perfect, it's have produced. When you have a sentence in present perfect, for change to a passive voice, you need to present perfect continue. So, waivers have been, beautiful Persian rugs have been produced by weavers for several dozen years. Okay, so try to do all the sentences, and any doubts on the chat you put, and I answer your doubts, okay? Bye.